Listen and practice. Today we learned some daily used English sentences. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. How do you spell that? How do you spell that? What's your job? What's your job? I'm bored. I'm bored. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Where's the nearest ATM? Where's the nearest ATM? What's your hobby? What's your hobby? I don't know. I don't know. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. How's your family? How's your family? Have a great day. Have a great day. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? What's your name? What's your name? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Can I help you? Can I help you? Where are you from? Where are you from? How old are you? How old are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What's the time? What's the time? I'm tired. I'm tired. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? I need help. I need help. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Where's the nearest bus stop? Where's the nearest bus stop? I'm lost. I'm lost. What do you do? What do you do? It's cold today. It's cold today. How's the weather? How's the weather? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Are you busy? Are you busy? What's for lunch? What's for lunch? Where's the supermarket? Where's the supermarket? I'm happy. I'm happy. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? What time is it? What time is it? Where's my bag? Where's my bag? Do you like to read? Do you like to read? How was your day? How was your day? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? This is my friend. This is my friend. I'm from your country. I'm from your country. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Where's the library? Where's the library? What's your email address? What's your email address? I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Can you speak slower, please? Can you speak slower, please? What's the date today? What's the date today? I have a question. I have a question. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. If you want more sentences, feel free to ask. Comment below from which country you are watching us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time, everyone.